Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code has completed 10 years. A decade of decisive reform, discipline and transformation. The results are visible across the system. Over 1,400 successful resolutions. More than 4 lakh crore rupees realized. 167% of liquidation value and 95% of fair value. Even before admission, over 30,000 cases settled with underlying debt of 13.94 lakh crore. IBC didn't just resolve insolvency, it prevented it.
इंसॉल्वेंसी एंड बैंक्रप्सी कोड यानी आईबीसी ने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, रिकवरी और रिजोल्यूशन का नया क्रेडिट कल्चर डेवलप किया।
Research from India's leading institution tells a powerful story of transformation. IIM Ahmedabad research revealed the story of companies post-resolution under IBC. Over a period of 5 years, strong revival in operations. Sales increased by 89%. Asset turnover up by 131%. Capex up by 106%. Higher employment intensity. Employee expenses up by 72%. Workforce expansion. Employee to asset ratio up by 200%. Strong market recovery. Market cap rose from 2.8 lakh crore to 9 lakh crore rupees. IIM Bangalore research revealed improved borrower discipline, higher adherence to repayment schedules, faster resolution of stress, overdue period reduced from 248 to 334 days to 30 to 87 days. Increased transition of accounts from overdue to normal category. 3% reduction in cost of debt for distressed firms. Improved corporate governance. Rise in independent directors 2.84%. India's progress has gained global recognition. S&P Global Ratings has upgraded India's insolvency regime, ranking to Group B. NPAs of banks have declined sharply from 11.8% in 2018 to nearly 2.2% in 2025.
The code actually has contributed to improving the health of our banking sector. So recoveries through the IBC stood at 54,528 crores. 1.04 lakh crores was recovered in total. Through the IBC process, 52.3% was recovered.
IBC protect the workforce at every stage. Payment to financial creditors, workers, home buyers and MSMEs are ensured from time to time. By enabling resolution, IBC ensure businesses continue and jobs are preserved. The IBC provides targeted support for MSMEs to ensure business continuity and faster resolution. IBC also enables handling over possession of properties to home buyers during the process. Interest of more than 1.4 lakh home buyers have been restored through either project completion, asset recovery, or alternative relief mechanisms. IBC has enabled revival across sectors, from steel and infrastructure to manufacturing, real estate, services, MSMEs, healthcare, and news agencies. In just 10 years, IBC has transformed stress into strength and failure into opportunity. It is not just a reform, it is a reset. IBC, powering India's journey towards a resilient, confident and Viksit Bharat.